Hello, welcome to my English class. Today we will study grammar in a snap, and it is for the beginner and method that I have applied here in a very easy way. Don't fear grammar. I have I've broken the tense names so that you can understand clearly. So it will be easy for the beginners and for the learners who don't know English and want to study English. So it is for them. So I am always beside you. The means all learners who want to study English, and without grammar you cannot study this language, but you can avoid some terms and all these things or big definitions. That's why I make these grammar topics in a very easy way so that you can understand. Small videos I am just prepared for you all, and let's see the next slide. Here I have given a table format. In a table format I have given heading as English, then Bengali, Hindi translation is there of that English word, and then verb, and then English meaning. So I, ami in Bengali and मैं in Hindi. Verb we use with I is am, and point to yourself meaning. I always means what? Point to yourself. You, tumi, tum, are is the verb, point to someone. We, amra, hum, are verb, hold hands together. They, tara, we, are is the verb and point to a group. And he, she, it, if you see these three, say we say in Bengali, wo in Hindi, and is used as verb with this he, she, it, and point to someone or something else. And with these words you can make small sentences in your mother tongue, that is in your Bengali, Hindi, and then you convert it in English. This word, it will be very easy for learning. Only one example I have shown you how this means how you will study. These words have different term in grammar, but I am not using, because those who are very weak in English, those who want to learn this language, want to speak and write this language, if they hear all this term and all this, they confused and they fear this language. So to eradicate, to erase the fear from them, আমি সবার মধ্যে থেকে যে ভয়টা আছে ইংলিশের প্রতি, সেটাকে আমি সরিয়ে দিতে চাই, যাতে তারা সুন্দরভাবে এটাকে আয়ত্ত করতে পারে। जो जिसको चाहत है यही लैंग्वेज, इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज पढ़ने का, उसके मन में एक डर रहता है, जो टर्म यूज होता है, बिग वर्ड्स, डेफिनेशन, उन लोगों से मैं पूरा इसको एक ऐसे इजी वे में इसको बदल के दूसरा एक वे में, मेथड में पेश कर रही हूँ। सो सभी को इसको बहुत इजी लगे पढ़ने में। सो नेक्स्ट इज tense is big definitions there are various types and all. Only here for the beginners I have highlighted tense. Only you know, if anyone asks you what is tense, tense is equal to time, means tense समय है, समय अभी का समय, काल का समय और पिछले दिन का समय। तो आज, काल, रोज, আগামীকাল। তো এইভাবে আমরা টেন্সটাকে দেখব, বড় বড় ডেফিনেশন আমরা পড়বো না এখানে। সো টাইম, নাও, আভি এখন, ইংলিশ I am eating. Easy pattern, what is the pattern of this sentence? I am plus verb plus ing. So am is there in previous slide, you have seen আগের স্লাইডে देखेছেন, अब लोग देखे हैं पहले जो दिखाया स्लाइड में, आई के बाद हैम होता है, उसके बाद आईएनजी फॉर्म करके आईएनजी एक वर्ब के साथ होता है। सो ईट इज द वर्ब, उसके साथ आईएनजी we just write and we form eating. So I am eating, so I am eating, I am plus verb eat plus ing. मैं खा रहा हूँ, আমি খাচ্ছি, daily. I eat, I plus verb, मैं खाता हूँ, আমি খাই। Yesterday I ate, yesterday means কাল, গতকাল in Bengali, and I plus verb plus tense means past form, you can say. Tense already here I have given, so past form of the verb. So I ate, so it's the past form of eat. मैंने खाया, আমি খেয়েছি। tomorrow কাল और আগামীকাল I will eat, I will plus verb. so जब काल, आगामीकाल व tomorrow, उसके साथ हम लोग will shall यूज करते हैं। सो आई shall आई के साथ और we के साथ यूज होता है, और will सबके साथ यूज होता है। सो इधर आई यूज किया तो will भी हम लोग यूज कर सकते हैं। আমরা উইলও এখানে বসাতে পারি, আইয়ের পরে শ্যালও বসাতে পারি, উইলও বসাতে পারি। উইয়ের সাথে আর আইয়ের সাথে শুধু শ্যালই বসে, শ্যাল আর কারোর সাথে ওইভাবে বসবে না। তবে আরও ভাগ আছে, যখন আরও হায়ার অ্যাডভান্স স্টাডি করবে তখন মডেল ভার্ব, সেখানে নানানভাবে সেগুলো ইউজ হয়, সেগুলো অন্য ব্যাপার, এখন এতটা জানার প্রয়োজন নেই বিগিনার্স লেভেলে। So will এর সাথে আরেকটা ভার্ব হয়, so with will another verb you have to add. So here I have used eat, one type of verb I have used to make you understand clearly. I will eat, I will plus verb is the pattern of the sentence. मैं खाऊंगा, আমি খাবো। so अभी तक ये नहीं हुआ, होगा। so tomorrow, that's why आगामीकाल और काल। so in this way if you learn and make frame different, I have used eat here, you use different other words and same type of sentence, or you can use here different type of other English, that is he, she, it, they, we, you, and you make it. And there I have shown you how with I, with he, you, with he, she, it, they, we, verb, what type of verb we use. So that verb you use with some English word you take as verb, and you frame small sentence. First you frame a sentence in your mother tongue, then you convert it in English. In this way, if you practice, you will be able to learn very easily, and you will be well versed in English speaking and writing. So if you want to join my English class, details, phone number, my email address, my website, everything is given here, so you can contact me. And if you learn further, or you want to be learn writing skill also, literature portion also with grammar and all, so you can join. And if you like my videos, subscribe me, share me, like me, so that this type of video will go to notification will you will receive, and in the and you also comment so that I can what type of videos you need for this, because my videos I don't use any high technology, nothing else, only simple way I want to teach you. And in a simple way I want to make this language easy, so that everyone can understand from zero level to all, so that everyone can learn, because many people fear of this language, but uh, nothing to fear. If you everyday basis, if you go through it, you will be well versed within a very short time. So I stop here. Thank you.